Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Let's start the new video. Countries with their capitals. What is the largest city in India by population? Mumbai. Which city is famous for historic Red Square? Moscow. What is the capital of Spain? Madrid. Which city is known as for iconic opera house? Sydney, Australia. What is the capital of China? Beijing. Which city is called Windy City? Chicago, USA. Which city is often referred as City of Angels? Los Angeles, USA. What is the capital of South Africa? Pretoria. Which is the famous for the historical Acropolis? Greece. What is the capital of Argentina? Buenos Aires.